Our question for today says, God created the marriage ordinance in Eden. What if someone doesn't get married? Is it a sin to remain single? Now, it is true that marriage is a sacred ordinance instituted by God. But there are two passages in the New Testament that talk about celibacy or staying unmarried. The first is found in Matthew chapter 19, verse 11 to 12. But he, that is Jesus, said unto them, All men cannot receive this saying, save they to whom it is given. For there are some eunuchs which were so born from their mother's womb, and there are some eunuchs which were made eunuchs of men, and there be eunuchs which have made themselves eunuchs for the kingdom of heaven's sake. He that is able to receive it, let him receive it. Eunuchs are those who are unmarried. Jesus makes it clear that there are some who were born so, others made so by men, and others became so for the kingdom of heaven's sake. Jesus said that those who can do it should do it. Now, Jesus was not enforcing celibacy on all mankind. He made it clear in verse 11 that this is an ability or gift given to some. So if God has given you this ability or gift, then it is not a sin for you to remain single. The second passage is found in 1 Corinthians chapter 7. Here again, Paul doesn't say that it is wrong to get married or wrong to stay unmarried, but it is important to follow the plan that God has for our lives. 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 7, For I would that all men were even as I myself, but every man has his proper gift of God, one after this manner, and another after that. Paul does give the following counsel in 1 Corinthians 7, verse 32. But I would have you without carefulness. He that is unmarried cares for the things that belong to the Lord, how he may please the Lord. But he that is married cares for the things that are of the world, how he may please his wife. In short, it is not a sin to get married, neither is it a sin to stay unmarried. But if you try to stay unmarried and it leads to fornication, then it is better to get married, according to Paul in 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 9, where he says, But if they cannot contain, let them marry. I believe this is an issue that needs to be prayed about. An important thing to remember is that we need to seek for God's will for our lives and not for our own. Amen.